Alright, here's our leaf springs with the bushings you saw put in a while back ago. But I've got our shackles assembled. We gotta lock in our retainer clips here once it's in the car. And we're getting ready to hang these babies right now. I figured I'd pre-assemble those first and pull them on up to the front. And then we'll kind of mist these. Got our leaf springs in. Here on the front. Springs are in. Looking good, looking good. Next step's gonna be rear end housing. Some custom Wick engineering here on the throttle shaft.
Yeah, put a couple of Zerks in that bad boy.
Nice.
So we can, because this was completely frozen before, so, you know, you hit the gas and then you'd have to pull it back up in order to slow down.
Not go flying through what's in front of you.
And this one's got a little crack in it that we're gonna have to do some epoxy injection on. But I feel pretty good that we can fix that. I mean, it's pretty structurally sound otherwise.
Nice work with the Zerks. That was I remember you looking those up online trying to find just the right ones.
Yeah, and they were, because I tightened this one down just a little bit too much and it started to bind on the shaft. So yeah, that was probably a couple thousandths of extra length there that we didn't need.
Perfect.
Yeah, so it goes up in a car like this. Very complicated. Like a cable would have been so much cheaper and easier, but it is a Fiat.
Yes.
So.
Yeah. It's automatically engineered.
Yeah.
Fucked. And then these holes, obviously, you said you'd seal off.
Yeah, I'm going to seal those off.
Yeah, and that way.
I think these must be a return spring. I'm not sure what was going on over there.
Throttle pedal ventilation.
Yeah, the pedal's over here, though.
Yeah, but still. It's like a smokestack.
Yeah, that's what it is. It's our story. We're sticking to it.
Yeah.
You know, there must be a pedal actually that goes on there. It's never been on this car. It's always been just this metal bar, but there has to be a gas pedal that actually clips on there.
Well, it would look nice with those pads on the brake
Since we
and
got
clutch.
this nice looking
Yeah.
you ever hear? Where do they go? Upside down? Yeah, they go like that.
Yeah, we turned them up. I turned them around the other day.
Yeah.
You had them the wrong way.
I did, because most cars you'd think that would be up, but
They
it's
would
a
hang.
Fiat, so it's down.
They're floor mount. They're floor mount. Not
So this would be ready to
column
go
mount.
back in there anytime. Actually, probably squirt some grease in it and make sure it works.
Looks good.
Fill these in. I guess maybe we paint this up or
Yeah.
shoot it with clear.
Yeah, just clear it.
Clear
it.
Clear it'll be.
Beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Differential housing in, shocks in, leaf springs of course in. This thing really came together today.